Today we're making one of my favorite recipes, pimento cheese. Don't get me wrong, I love yogurt, but I don't want chicken salad, pimento cheese. I don't want those things made with yogurt. I'm gonna use cottage cheese because it doesn't have any flavor really. For all you cottage cheese haters, this doesn't taste like cottage cheese. I got lots of tips for this recipe because I make it all the time. You may taste it right after you prepare it and you think, it needs a little more onion. Don't do it. Don't put any more onion in there. Don't you dare. Because if you put more onion, it's gonna be too onion. I've made that mistake and it tastes like onion cheese. And which is fine, but just not what I wanted. Jalapenos are like fun little surprise. You never know if you're gonna get a really spicy one or a not so spicy one. I'll rub my eye and feel like my eyeball's gonna fall out because I've got jalapeno all over my hand. Some people wear gloves, but that means I have to find gloves and that's not gonna happen. The seeds and ribs of the jalapeno are the spiciest. Out in California, they don't use pimentos apparently as much as you do in Alabama. I can't even remember what I've done today.